Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today, I'm doing another video in my Zodiac series, and for this season, it's the Virgo. I'm extra excited for this one because I'm actually a Virgo since my birthday is on September 5th, and so this is my Virgo season, and I'm very happy to be doing this look. Virgos are also known as the maiden, and we are an earth sign. We do crave order and perfection, and we do work really hard at everything we do and stay extremely dedicated. We like to set realistic goals for ourselves that we know we have the ability to accomplish, and we always keep a really tight-knit group around us that we stay very loyal to. I was super excited to do this video since this is my season, but this is why I want to do this series, and so every sign can feel like we're celebrating their characteristics each season that they have. And if you haven't seen my previous Zodiac videos, I'll make sure I link that in the description bar down below so you can check them out. And please also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you haven't joined already, and let's jump into the video. For my shadows today, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette, but you can always just find similar colors if you don't want to use the same palette. I'm going to start off with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot just to make sure that my lids are primed and my shadows don't budge anywhere. I'm then going to set my primer with Virgin. Then picking up the color Cone, I'm going to put that onto my crease and blend it out. I'm then going to pick up some of Tasty and blend that into the outer corner. I'm then going to be taking some of Brain Freeze, which is this really pretty pale blue color, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Then to really start bringing this makeup look together, I'm going to take the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Loose Pigment Powder in the Maiden, and I'm going to pick that up on my brush, spray it with some setting spray, and putting right on top of the blue that I just put down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this glitter off of my under eye and finish up the base of my makeup, and I'll be right back to finish the look. So after I finish up my base makeup, I'm going to go ahead and quickly do the rest of my under eyes, and I'm first going to be taking some of Brain Freeze and putting that in the very inner of my lower lash line. I'm then going to pick up some of Tasty and put that on the very outer corner of my lower lash line. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to be using the Ofra highlighter in Star Island, and I chose to use this because it's the same highlighter that I used on my face, so I thought it would tie everything in together, as well as I thought it matched really well with the glitter on the center of the lid. I'm then going to be going into mascara, and first I'm going to be going in with the Pixie by Petra Double Brush Mascara. I'm then going to take the YSL mascara in gold and put that very lightly on my lower lashes. Then for my lips, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Mannequin. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a Virgo, I hope you feel like this look represented you well, and also please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined the family already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.